The first fitting. 5 signs you've outgrown a life that still looks perfectly fine. Number 1, what once felt meaningful now feels like maintenance. Nothing is necessarily wrong, but you're going through the motions that once mattered to you. Number 2, you're grateful and restless. You appreciate the life you've built, but that doesn't mean every part of it still belongs in your future. Number 3, you keep fantasizing about room, more time, more quiet, more creativity, more choice, and less obligation. Number 4, the things you once tolerated feel increasingly uncomfortable. The schedule, the expectations, the roles, the relationships, the pace. Number 5, you keep thinking, I should be happy. Sometimes should is the loudest clue that something deserves your attention. And outgrowing something doesn't mean it was a mistake. It just simply means it fits the woman you are. The first fitting begins by noticing what fits the woman you are now.